Hi everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create an eye-catching landing page in WordPress using Elementor. Elementor is a powerful page builder that allows you to design beautiful pages with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Elementor installed on your WordPress site. If you haven't already done this, you can install it by going to Plugins and then Add New. Search for Elementor and click Install Now, followed by Activate. Once Elementor is activated, you can start creating your landing page. Go to Pages and click Add New. Title your page, for example, the landing page. Then click on Edit with Elementor. You're now in the Elementor editor. This is where all the magic happens. On the left, you'll see the Elementor panel with various widgets and sections. On the right is your live page preview. You can choose to import a pre-made design. For that, we need an empty layout. Click Settings and then click here to choose the page layout. Now select Elementor Canvas, and as you can see, we now have an empty layout. To import the design, click here. Here, search for landing pages, and you'll get different types of designs. Select one template and start editing it to design your landing page. For this tutorial, we'll create a landing page from scratch. Let's start by adding a section. Click on the plus icon to add a new section. You can choose the structure of your section based on the number of columns you need. Next, drag and drop widgets from the Elementor panel into your section. For a landing page, you might want to use widgets like heading, text editor, image, and button. Customize each widget by clicking on it and adjusting the settings in the left panel. You can change the text, font size, colors, and more. For a clean professional look, consider adding a hero section at the top with a strong headline, a brief description, and a call to action button. You can use the heading widget for your headline and the button widget for your call to action. To make your landing page even more engaging, you can add images or videos by using the image or video widgets. Drag these into your section and adjust their size and alignment as needed. Don't forget to adjust the section settings as well. Click on the section handle, then go to the Layout tab to set the height and width. In the Style tab, you can add background colors or images to make your page stand out. Once you're satisfied with the design, click on the Publish button to make your landing page live. If you want to preview it before publishing, click on Preview to see how it looks. And that's it. You've created a stunning landing page using Elementor. Remember, Elementor offers a lot of flexibility, so don't be afraid to experiment with different layouts and design elements. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Truehost Academy for more WordPress and Elementor tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.